Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together the new palette by Catrice Cosmetics, and this is the Made for Stars Eye and Face palette. In this palette we have 15 eyeshadows, 2 highlighters and 4 blushes. As we can see we have a variety of matte and shimmer eyeshadows. I will do swatches for all of them so you can see on my skin tone how they look. A lot of you told me that you wanted to see a review of this palette, so in today's video I'm going to show you how I did the makeup look so you can see how the eyeshadows are blending, and also I will do swatches and I will give you my opinion about this palette, if it is worth the money or not. I have used again this palette in a previous video. I will have a card here so you can find it easier. It is a Catrice full face makeup look with a lot of Catrice products that I got from the Catrice advent calendar. The price of it is €14.95. We get a lot of products in one palette, and I like that we don't have repeating shades. For example, I don't have a highlighter in the same shade as a shimmer eyeshadow, or with the blushes I don't have the same shade for an eyeshadow again, and that means that you can use all the products as a highlighter or as an eyeshadow. About the packaging, as we can see, it is a bigger palette but it contains so many products. This palette is not very heavy so you can hold it and do your makeup look on the mirror that it contains. And this is a cardboard packaging and it has a magnetic closure. Let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite palette by Catrice Cosmetics, and also share this video with a friend that likes drugstore palettes. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. For my eye look today, I have used eyeshadows and also some face products, so let me show you what I have done. At first I took eyeshadow Celestial with an eyeshadow brush by Essence and I have applied it on my brow bone. After that, with an eye blender brush by Essence, I applied eyeshadow Future into my crease. Next I took Supernatural with brush 225 by Zoeva and I have applied it into my crease closer to my eyelid. I also have blended it towards my brow bone. Afterwards, on the center of my eyelid, I have applied eyeshadow Illusion with an eyeshadow brush by Essence. On the outer third of my eyelid, I applied eyeshadow Expanding Horizon. We continue with eyeshadow Superstition that I have applied it in the inner eyelid. Following that, I applied eyeshadow After Dark on the outer eyelid and also outer crease. In the beginning, I placed it with an eyeshadow brush. After that, I diffused the eyeshadow with brush 225 by Zoeva. On top of the black eyeshadow, I have also applied eyeshadows Future and the shade Supernatural. On my lower lash line, I have applied the shade Supernatural and also I have blended the edges with eyeshadow Future with a smudging brush by Essence. In my inner corner, I have applied the highlighter Star Glow with brush E30 by Sigma. After that, with an eyebrow brush by Essence, I took the After Dark eyeshadow and I have applied it very close to my lashes. In the first row, we have Celestial, Divine, Galaxy, Luminescent and Superstition. We have 3 shimmer eyeshadows and also 2 matte eyeshadows, and you can use Divine and Galaxy to highlight your eyes if you don't like shimmer eyeshadows. If you like shimmer eyeshadows, you can use Celestial. In the second row, we have Future, Heaven, Stellar, Mystique and Stargazing. As we can see, we have 3 matte eyeshadows and 2 shimmer eyeshadows. And in the third row, we have Magnificent, Nebula, Expanding Horizons, Illusion and After Dark. In this row, the only matte eyeshadow is After Dark, which is a black eyeshadow. As you can see, we have a lot of shimmer eyeshadows. I would like to have 1 or 2 more matte eyeshadows. For example, Expanding Horizons and Illusion, they look very similar on my eyes. I have applied Illusion on the center of my eyelid, also Expanding Horizons in the outer eyelid, and they look very similar, so we could have 1 more matte eyeshadow very easy. The shimmer eyeshadows are very nice with a dry brush. You can also apply them with a setting spray on your brush and you can make them ultra shiny and metallic. You can give a foil effect, and if you like that effect, you can do that with these eyeshadows. You can also use your fingers if you want to. You don't have a lot of fallout with all of these eyeshadows. And the matte eyeshadows blend very nice. Eyeshadow Stellar is one of the matte eyeshadows, and I like it because it is easy to blend it and also to intensify the color. One eyeshadow that is missing is a dark brown eyeshadow that I could blend easier, the black eyeshadow, because it's not blending very easy. It has a nice intensity. You need to be careful when you place it on your eyelids. About the two highlighters, I have also used them in the Catrice full face makeup look that you can find in the card here. This one is Dreamland and this one is Star Glow. As we can see, Star Glow is a more wearable shade, and the first one is a light purple white highlighter. At the bottom of the palette we can find the blushes that I thought they all were highlighters and we only had one blush, but in the description that they have on their website, all of these are blushes. So we have one with matte finish and three with a shimmer finish. On my cheeks today I have applied Supernatural, and on my cheekbones I have applied Iridescence. About Supernatural, this is a very intense color for my skin tone, and I would suggest to apply it with a fluffy brush so you don't pick up a lot of color and also you diffuse it easier into your skin. If you apply a flat brush like this one, you will place a lot of color and it will not be easy to blend it because this is darker than my skin tone, and I had this issue with this brush. And also something fluffier than this one, it will work again. And I have applied a very small amount of this blush because it is very dark for me, but I like that it blends very easy. If you like shimmer blushes, we have three. I didn't know they are blushes. I would like one more blush in a matte shade instead of three shimmer blushes, because if you have a shimmer and matte blush, you can always make a shimmer blush. You can mix, for example, these two together, but if you want to have a matte shade, you need to have the matte shade. I think this is the first palette by Catrice that I like so much. I can't wait to start using this one here, the Star Games. And you have told me that you also want to see this palette in a review. Let me know in the comments what makeup looks you would like to see with this palette so I can make them before I leave to Cyprus. I am going to Cyprus for Christmas. I want to post my review before I leave, so let me know if you want to see something specific. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below if you are interested in this palette or if you have something very similar to this one. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!